Hi guys, welcome to Milky Singh Academy. This is Jaskira Singh here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can block someone from Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Outlook. So if someone is disturbing you and calling you all day, this video is for you. And one important thing, if you are using this Microsoft 365 trial account or trial version of it, then you cannot have this block option in your Microsoft Teams. But don't worry, I'm going to show you that how you can block someone if you are using a trial version also. So watch this video to the end, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. So guys, first of all, open up your Microsoft Teams application. And one important thing that you cannot block anyone from your Microsoft Teams mobile application. So you have to use your desktop application for that, or you can also use a web application. So if you do not want to download this Microsoft Teams application because it is quite heavy and it hangs your system a lot. So here you can see we have different options in the left navigation pane like chat, Teams, calendar, calls. So you have to click on this calls option, and here you can see all the options like speed dial, contacts, history, voicemail. So just click on this contact option, and your contacts will be here. And if you haven't add any contact, just add here, because to block someone you have to add that contact into your contact list, and you can also find the contact from here. So for adding a contact is pretty easy. All you have to do is to click on add contact and type in the name of that person that you want to add into your contact list. So it's pretty easy. Just after that, click on add. For example, I added myself here and click on add, and it will be added here. So after adding the contact, all you can see these are kind of options here like chat, email, video call, or call, simple call like audio call. So here you can see three dot options here. These are for the more options. So as I in the starting of this video, I told you that if you are using a free or trial version of 365 or any business E1, A1 or any account, you will not going to get this a block option here. So if I click on this here, because I am using this trial version, I am having only two options: add to speed dial or remove contact. This is only because I am using this trial version, and currently there is no block option for the trial version. So you have to pay for the subscription if you want to get this block option. So as you can see, I am sharing this screenshot here where it is showing that block option. So I take this from the Google. So if you have a full subscription of these 365 account, you will get this block option. So I'm using this trial version. I'm not getting this block option here. So I'm getting only remove contact or add to speed dial. So to block someone, so you can also block someone if you are using a trial version. All you can do two things here. First thing is that go up to your profile icon here. You can see at the top of this window and click on it, and you can see a status here available. So if you set it to do not disturb, you will not get any calls from anyone at all. So this is the option that you can select if you do not want that someone is calling you all day and disturbing you. And you can also change the settings as per your requirements. So second thing that you can do to block someone from Microsoft Teams, that no one will call you on Teams. So that is from settings. So just click on this settings option, and these setting option will open up here. So you can see privacy, notification, devices, permissions. So you have to again come to here this calls option. So just click on this calls. So here you can see call answering rules. So here are two rules: that calls rings me. So whenever someone try to call you and your administrator does not have these policies or set up these all kind of things, so you will randomly get all the calls from different unknown persons. To avoid the completely calls from unknown or anyone from the organization, so you can set this forward my calls. So if you select this option, all your calls going to forward into your voicemail, so you will not get disturbed by anyone else. So you can change the settings at any time. Just make it this call rings me, and you will able to receive your calls. So if you set these settings here, you will able to join the meetings that are set in the calendar. So it is not going to affect your calendar meetings. So you are able to attend the calls and meetings online through the calendar. These only set the permissions that no one will call you from the Microsoft Teams application. So these are the two settings here. Forward my calls is the second one, and first one is your status that do not disturb, so nobody is going to call you. So that is all if you are using a trial version. The next thing is that how you can block someone from Microsoft Outlook application. So you have to open up this URL here, and I have also provided the link in the description box, so you can open up and sign in through your Microsoft Teams account. So here you can see a Outlook option here. So this is for Outlook mail, and open it up. Just click on that icon and it will open up your Outlook application here. So it is asking me to sign in. So just skip for 13 days because I have recently created this account. So that is Microsoft added some security features like two-step verification and all that. So I'm skipping that, all that. Once it's loaded up, and so this is your Microsoft Outlook, so similar to Gmail. So you can see all the inbox, sent item, drafts. So you can also block someone from Microsoft Outlook, so nobody will able to add you into their meetings. So all you have to do is to click on this setting option here. So just click on it, and in the settings you have to search for block. So you can block the senders and domains. So all you have to do is to type in the name of that sender. So you can block senders and domains here, move email from the sender. So you can easily unblock them from this block junk email, this option here. So just click on this add option here and type in the name of the person that you want to block. So I'm writing here, so my ID like Jimmy @Punjab. So this is the URL. So you must know the URL. So punjabmansa.onmicrosoft.com. So this is the URL, and click on enter. So it will be added here, and click on save to save this option here. So this Jimmy will not be able to add me into their meetings. So just close this up, and this is how you can block someone from Outlook. So this is all, guys, how you can block someone from Microsoft Teams if you haven't have the full subscription. But if you have subscription, then you will easily block someone directly from the more options, these buttons here. So that is all, guys, and I hope that I have covered everything. So it will solve your problem that someone is calling you and adding you into their meetings. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I keep posting these kind of videos for all related to computer science. So see you soon, guys.